Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts! Are you tired of cooking in pots that just don't deliver? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best cooking pots that will take your meals from ordinary to extraordinary. From even heat distribution to super durable materials, these pots are designed to make your cooking easier, faster, and more flavorful. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which pot deserves a spot on your stove. Number 5. Non-stick frying pan. Experience the ultimate in versatile cooking with the Insetfine non-stick frying pan/skillet 11-inch, 3 cutie Tajin pan. Featuring Tajin-style cookware, its conical lid concentrates steam and heat evenly, keeping your food moist, flavorful, and nutritious with minimal effort. Simply add a little water, and let the steam drizzle gently over your ingredients for perfect results every time. Crafted from premium cast aluminum, this skillet is non-stick and sturdy, resisting warping, denting, or sticking. Its triple-layered construction ensures stability and optimal heat retention, making it perfect for frying, sautéing, searing, braising, steaming, and even baking. With a heat tolerance of up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit, it's oven-safe and ready for everything from roasts to baked desserts. Designed for stove-to-table convenience, it works on all stovetops, including induction, and is dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Ideal as a home companion for daily meals, festive dishes, or as a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Number 4. Kamsa Tajin pot. Elevate your cooking with the Kamsa Tajin pot, medium clay pot 10-inch, 3.1 cutie, designed for flavor enrichment and authentic North African cuisine. Its unique conical shape circulates steam during cooking, allowing ingredients to baste themselves naturally. The result is rich, aromatic dishes where flavors meld perfectly, creating an unparalleled depth of taste in every meal. Enjoy healthier cooking with this handmade Moroccan Tajin. The slow-cooking ceramic preserves nutrients and moisture, reducing the need for oils or fats. It's ideal for lean meats, vegetables, and spices, delivering tender, wholesome meals with every use. Fair trade and handmade, each pot is crafted by women artisans in Tunisia using lead-free, non-stick ceramic, blending tradition with ethical craftsmanship. Stylish enough to serve right out of the pot, it doubles as a stunning serving bowl, keeping food warm and flavorful. Perfect for trying stews, soups, vegetarian dishes, and even desserts, this versatile clay pot accommodates both stovetop and oven use. Number 3. Émile Henry Tajin, Burgundy. Experience the art of slow cooking with the Émile Henry Tajin in rich burgundy. Crafted from flame ceramic, this 27 cm x 27 cm x 20 cm Tajin is designed for gentle, even simmering, unlocking the full flavors of your stews, tagines, and slow-cooked dishes. Its uniquely shaped lid circulates steam naturally, keeping ingredients tender and moist for exceptional results. Perfect for 4 to 6 servings, it's versatile and convenient. Use it directly on the heat, gas, electric, halogen, or with an induction disc for induction hobs, in the oven, or even in the microwave. Cleanup is effortless, as it is dishwasher safe. Émile Henry's flame ceramic ensures durability and optimal heat distribution, making this Tajin ideal for home cooks who love to create flavorful, melt-in-your-mouth dishes with ease and elegance. Number 2. Alva Nori 3QT Enameled Cast Iron Tajin. Elevate your cooking with the Alva Nori 3QT Enameled Cast Iron Tajin in sleek black. Crafted with 3 layers of non-stick enamel, this Moroccan-style Dutch oven requires no seasoning and delivers superior performance for braising, stewing, roasting, and even crispy frying. The classic conical lid with bronze knobs ensures optimal steam circulation, keeping your ingredients tender and flavorful. Made from premium cast iron and sustainable materials, Alva cookware is built to last, with precision engineering and rigorous quality control. Safe for all heat sources, including induction, oven, and open flame, its durable base distributes heat evenly while protecting surfaces. Non-toxic and free from PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, this Tajin combines style, health-conscious design, and effortless cleanup, making every meal a masterpiece. Number 1. Kook Moroccan Tajin. Discover the Kook Moroccan Tajin in stunning stone blue, a one-pot wonder for tender, aromatic, and flavorful stews. Its classic conical lid circulates steam, keeping ingredients moist, soft, and buttery with minimal water. Crafted from durable enameled cast iron, this 3.3 cutie Tajin works on induction, gas, or in the oven, and requires no seasoning, plus it's lead and cadmium-free for healthy cooking. Perfect for cooking and serving, the vibrant pot retains heat longer, while the snug-fitting lid with an easy grip knob lets you check your dish effortlessly. Easy to clean and built to last, it comes with recipe, cleaning, and care instructions, and is carefully packaged with polyfoam to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Thanks for watching. Below, check links in the description box. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.